What's up, beautiful people? Winter is here, and we all know it can be tough on your skin, hair, and nails, but guess what? I've got the best tips, DIY hacks, and secret beauty tricks to help you stay glowing, hydrated, and flawless all season long. If you want to learn how to keep your skin soft, your hair shiny, and your nails perfect without all the expensive products, stay right here. I'm about to drop some serious knowledge that'll change your winter beauty game forever. So hit that like button, grab your favorite cozy drink, and let's dive in because you don't want to miss a thing. Section 1. Hydrated skin. Winter air tends to steal moisture from our skin, leaving it dry and flaky. To combat this, the first step is to use a richer moisturizer. If you're still using the same one from summer, now is the time to upgrade to a thicker cream. Look for ingredients like shea butter, ceramides, or hyaluronic acid. These ingredients not only hydrate, but also lock that moisture into your skin for longer. When applying your moisturizer, make sure to do it immediately after your shower, while your skin is still damp. This helps seal in that hydration and prevents your skin from drying out throughout the day. A huge winter skincare mistake I see often is skipping exfoliation. Exfoliating regularly removes dead skin cells, which allows your moisturizer to penetrate deeper. You can easily make a DIY scrub at home with brown sugar and olive oil. The sugar is gentle enough for the face and body and acts as a natural exfoliator. Mix 2 tablespoons of brown sugar with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and gently scrub your face and body in circular motions. Your skin will feel smooth, soft, and ready to absorb all the moisture. Now, for extra hydration, let's talk about a DIY honey and yogurt face mask. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin, and yogurt is packed with lactic acid, which helps gently exfoliate while keeping your skin soft. To make the mask, just mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, apply it to your face, and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. This mask will leave your skin feeling super soft and looking radiant. Section 2. Lip care. Chapped lips are a common problem in the winter, and we often forget about them until it's too late. Let's make sure we're giving our lips the care they need. The best way to keep your lips from getting chapped is to exfoliate them once or twice a week. A super simple DIY lip scrub that works wonders involves mixing brown sugar with honey. The sugar gently sloughs off dry skin, while the honey adds moisture. Massage this scrub onto your lips for about a minute, then rinse with warm water. Now, after exfoliating, it's important to apply a hydrating lip balm. A thick, nourishing lip balm or even petroleum jelly will lock in moisture and protect your lips from the harsh winter winds. Keep one in your bag and apply it throughout the day whenever your lips feel dry. For an overnight treatment, apply a thicker layer of your balm and let it work its magic while you sleep. This ensures that your lips wake up feeling soft and smooth. Additionally, make sure you're staying hydrated. Chapped lips are often a sign of dehydration. Drinking water regularly throughout the day not only helps your lips but also improves your overall skin. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and your lips will thank you for it. Section 3. Hair care. Winter can be tough on our hair too. The cold weather, combined with indoor heating, can make your hair dry and brittle. To keep your hair shiny and healthy, it's important to switch to a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Look for products that contain ingredients like argan oil or coconut oil. These oils help hydrate and add shine. Be careful not to wash your hair too frequently during the winter, as overwashing strips your hair of natural oils. Try washing your hair 2 to 3 times a week. And if your hair is really dry, use a nourishing hair mask once a week. One of my favorite DIY hair treatments is a coconut oil hair mask. Coconut oil is full of fatty acids that help nourish your hair from the roots to the tips. To use it, warm up a tablespoon of coconut oil until it's melted and apply it to the ends of your hair. If your hair is on the drier side, you can apply it a bit further up, but avoid the roots if you have oily hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for deeper nourishment, and wash it out with your regular shampoo. You'll notice softer, shinier hair right away. Also, try to limit the amount of heat styling you do during winter. Blow dryers, straighteners, and curling irons can dry your hair out even more. When you must use heat, always apply a heat protectant spray beforehand. If you can, let your hair air dry, and if you have to blow dry, use the cool setting to minimize damage. Section 4. Nail care. Dry, cracked nails are another common winter issue. The first thing you should do to protect your nails is to moisturize your cuticles. Keep a bottle of cuticle oil with you and apply it daily, especially after washing your hands. This will keep your cuticles soft and prevent cracking. You can also make a simple DIY cuticle oil using olive oil and vitamin E oil. Mix them together in a small bottle and massage it into your nails and cuticles each night before bed. This simple step helps prevent your nails from getting too dry and keeps them strong. To protect your nails when doing chores, cleaning, or even during the cold weather outside, always wear gloves. Your nails are more susceptible to damage in the winter, so gloves act as a barrier, protecting them from the harsh environment. When you're washing dishes or cleaning, rubber gloves will protect both your nails and hands from drying out. And, if you love painting your nails, make sure to always apply a base coat before any color. A nourishing base coat keeps your nails from becoming stained or weakened by the nail polish. And don't forget to apply a top coat for extra shine and protection. This small step makes a huge difference in how your nails look and feel. Section 5. Body care. Just like your face, your body needs extra hydration during winter. The dry air and hot showers can strip your skin of moisture, so it's crucial to switch to a gentle, moisturizing body wash. Look for products that contain oatmeal, shea butter, or coconut oil, which hydrate and soothe the skin. Avoid body washes with harsh chemicals or heavy fragrances, as they can dry out your skin. Exfoliating your body once or twice a week is also a must to keep your skin soft and smooth. You can make a DIY sugar scrub by mixing brown sugar with coconut oil or olive oil. This scrub helps remove dead skin cells and leaves your skin feeling silky. Focus on areas that get especially dry, like your elbows, knees, and feet. After you shower, apply a rich body lotion while your skin is still damp. This helps lock in moisture and prevent dry patches. Look for lotions with hyaluronic acid or glycerin. They are both amazing at holding onto moisture. For extra hydration, you can even use a body oil, especially on areas like your legs or arms. I love using almond oil or jojoba oil as they penetrate deeply into the skin and leave it feeling soft all day. And that's it, guys. These are some of the best winter beauty tips I've been using to keep my skin, hair, and nails looking and feeling amazing all season long. I hope you found these tips helpful and easy to follow. Let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty tips and tricks. Stay hydrated, stay cozy, and keep glowing all winter long. See you in the next video.